There is a power that can open doors before you ever touch the handle. There is a power that can make people trust you before they know you. There is a power that can make people listen, respect you, and remember you long after you leave the room. That power is not money. That power is not status. That power is not appearance. That power is how you speak. Because the truth is, the way you speak tells the world how you think. It reveals your confidence. It reveals your discipline. It reveals your clarity. And most importantly, it reveals how much you believe in yourself. Smart people are not always the ones who know the most. Smart people are the ones who know how to communicate what they know with clarity, calmness, and purpose. You have met them before. They walk into a room and they don't rush to speak. They listen first. They observe first. And when they finally speak, people stop. People listen. People respect their words. Not because they are louder. Not because they are aggressive. But because they are certain. Smart speakers understand something most people never learn. They understand that words carry energy. And when you speak with doubt, people feel doubt. When you speak with fear, people feel fear. But when you speak with certainty, people feel confidence. And confidence is magnetic. But here is the truth most people never realize. Speaking like a smart person is not about using big words. It is not about trying to impress people. It is not about pretending to be someone you are not. Because pretending creates pressure. And pressure creates insecurity. Speaking like a smart person begins with clarity of mind. When your mind is clear, your words become clear. When your thoughts are organized, your message becomes powerful. When you believe in your value, your voice reflects your worth. Most people speak from emotion. They speak from fear. They speak from insecurity. They rush their words. They over-explain. They apologize for their opinions. They weaken their own message without realizing it. But smart speakers do something different. They pause. They breathe. They choose their words with intention. They understand that silence is not weakness. Silence is power. Silence gives your words weight. Silence makes people lean in. Silence makes people listen. And here is something even deeper. Smart speakers do not speak to impress people. They speak to express truth. They speak to create clarity. They speak to create impact. Because when you try to impress people, you lose authenticity. And authenticity is where true influence lives. Your voice is one of the most powerful tools you have. It can build relationships. It can create opportunities. It can inspire people. It can transform your life. But many people never develop this power because they doubt themselves. They overthink. They question their worth. They stay silent when they should speak. And sometimes, they speak when they should stay silent. Smart speakers understand timing. They understand presence. They understand emotional control. They do not let fear control their voice. They do not let insecurity weaken their message. They do not let rejection silence their truth. Because they understand that their voice matters. And your voice matters too. There is a version of you that speaks with confidence. There is a version of you that speaks with clarity. There is a version of you that walks into any room and knows that your words have value. But that version of you is built, not born. It is built through awareness. It is built through discipline. It is built through practice. And most importantly, it is built through belief. Because the moment you believe your voice has value, everything changes. You stop seeking approval. You stop fearing judgment. You stop shrinking yourself to make others comfortable. You begin to speak with purpose. And when you speak with purpose, people listen differently. They respect you differently. They see you differently. Your words begin to open doors. Your words begin to create opportunities. Your words begin to shape your future. Because smart speaking is not about sounding intelligent. It is about thinking clearly. It is about controlling your emotions. It is about respecting your voice enough to use it with intention. And the beautiful truth is, this is a skill anyone can learn. It does not matter where you come from. It does not matter what your past looks like. It does not matter how insecure you once felt. You can train your mind. You can train your voice. You can train your presence. You can become someone whose words carry power. Today is the beginning of that transformation. Today, you will learn the habits, the mindset, and the discipline required to speak like a smart person. Not to impress the world, but to express the powerful, confident, intelligent person you already are becoming. Now let us begin with the first keynote. One of the most powerful habits that makes someone sound smart is not speaking more. It is speaking with clarity. And clarity does not come from talking fast. It comes from thinking first. Smart people understand that their words represent their thoughts. And if their thoughts are scattered, their words will be scattered. If their mind is rushed, their message will be rushed. This is why intelligent communicators pause before they speak. They give themselves permission to think. They give themselves space to organize their message. They understand that a few seconds of silence can make their words far more powerful. Most people are uncomfortable with silence. They feel pressure to respond immediately. They feel like they must prove themselves quickly. So they rush, they interrupt, they speak without thinking. And when you speak without thinking, your words lose strength. Your message loses clarity. Your confidence appears weaker, even if you are capable and intelligent. But smart speakers do something different. They slow down, they breathe, they listen carefully. And when they speak with intention. Because they understand this truth, clarity creates confidence. When you take time to think, your words become precise. You say exactly what you mean. You do not over-explain. You do not confuse people. You do not weaken your message with unnecessary words. Instead, you communicate with calm authority. This calmness makes people trust you. It makes people respect you. It makes people listen more carefully. Thinking before speaking also gives you emotional control. When you react emotionally, you often say things you regret. You speak from anger, fear, or insecurity. But when you pause, you take back control. You respond instead of reacting. And this is a sign of intelligence and maturity. Smart people are not controlled by their emotions. They are guided by their awareness. They ask themselves simple questions before speaking. Is this necessary? Is this clear? Is this valuable? And when the answer is yes, they speak with confidence. Another important truth is that intelligent communication is not about saying everything. It is about saying what matters. This builds authority. Authority does not come from talking more. Authority comes from certainty. It comes from calm delivery. It comes from speaking with intention. When you speak with precision, people listen more carefully. They value your words more. They remember your message more clearly. And most importantly, they respect your voice. Another powerful aspect of speaking less is that it improves your listening. Smart people are excellent listeners. They understand that communication is not just about speaking. It is about understanding. When you listen carefully, you learn more. You observe emotions. You understand perspectives. And this gives you the ability to respond intelligently. Listening also shows respect. And when people feel respected, they respect you in return. This creates stronger relationships, stronger trust, and stronger influence. Speaking less also protects you from saying things driven by emotion. When people speak too quickly, they often say things they regret. They react instead of responding. But when you slow down and speak with intention, you maintain emotional control. Emotional control is a sign of intelligence and maturity. It shows that you are not controlled by your environment. It shows that you are guided by awareness. Over time, this habit transforms how people see you. They begin to see you as thoughtful. They begin to see you as confident. They begin to see you as someone whose words matter. And when people believe your words matter, your influence grows. Because intelligent speaking is not about quantity. It is about quality. It is not about being heard more. It is about being remembered more. When you learn to speak less, think more, and communicate with precision, you develop a presence that commands respect without forcing it. This is the power of saying less, but meaning more. One of the clearest signs of an intelligent speaker is not the words they use, but the emotional control behind those words. Because intelligence is not just measured by knowledge. It is measured by composure. It is measured by calmness. It is measured by the ability to stay steady when others lose control. Most people allow their emotions to control their voice. When they feel nervous, their voice shakes. When they feel angry, their words become aggressive. When they feel insecure, they speak too fast or too much. Their emotions take over their message. And when emotions take control, clarity disappears. But smart speakers understand something powerful. They understand that calmness creates authority. When you remain calm, even under pressure, people see you differently. They see you as someone who is stable, someone who is confident, someone who is in control. And control creates respect. Think about moments when someone speaks with calm certainty. They do not raise their voice. They do not rush. They do not panic. They speak slowly, clearly, and with purpose. And without even realizing it, people begin to trust them more. Because calmness signals confidence. Confidence is not loud. Confidence is not aggressive. Confidence is quiet, steady, and controlled. When you control your emotions, you also control your message. You do not say things you regret. You do not react impulsively. You respond with awareness. And this makes your words more powerful. Emotional reactions often weaken communication. When you react emotionally, you speak from temporary feelings. But feelings change. And when your words are driven by unstable emotions, your message becomes unstable. Smart speakers speak from clarity, not from chaos. They understand that emotions are natural, but emotions should not control their voice. Instead of reacting immediately, they pause. They breathe. They allow their mind to regain control. This pause is powerful. It gives you time to think. It gives you time to choose your words wisely. It prevents you from damaging your credibility. Because once words are spoken, they cannot be taken back. Another important truth is that calm speakers make others feel calm. Your emotional state influences the people around you. If you speak with panic, others feel panic. If you speak with anger, others feel tension. But when you speak with calmness, others feel safe. They feel comfortable listening to you. This creates influence. Influence is not created through force. It is created through emotional stability. People naturally trust individuals who remain calm under pressure. They see them as leaders. They see them as dependable. They see them as intelligent. Calmness also allows your mind to function better. When you are emotional, your thinking becomes clouded. You lose focus. You lose clarity. But when you are calm, your thoughts become organized. Your message becomes clear. You begin to speak with precision. You begin to speak with purpose. You begin to speak with power. Another benefit of emotional control is confidence in difficult conversations. Many people avoid speaking up because they fear emotional discomfort. They fear rejection. They fear judgment. But when you develop emotional discipline, you no longer fear these moments. You remain steady. You remain certain. You remain in control of yourself. And this changes everything. Because people do not respect those who are controlled by their emotions. They respect those who control their emotions. This does not mean suppressing your feelings. It means mastering your response. It means choosing awareness over reaction. It means choosing clarity over chaos. It means choosing strength over weakness. When you master emotional control, your voice becomes stronger. Your words become clearer. Your presence becomes more powerful. People begin to listen differently. They begin to respect you differently. Because calmness is not weakness. Calmness is power. And when you learn to control your emotions, you unlock one of the most important habits of speaking like a smart, confident, and respected person. One of the biggest myths about sounding smart is the belief that you must use complex words. Many people think intelligence is proven by using difficult vocabulary, long explanations, and complicated language. But the truth is, real intelligence is not about complexity. Real intelligence is about clarity. Smart people do not try to confuse others. They try to make things clear. They understand that the purpose of communication is not to impress people, but to connect with people. And connection happens when people understand you. Using simple words does not make you sound weak. It makes you sound confident. Because confident people do not hide behind complicated language. They express their thoughts in a way that is easy to understand. When your words are simple, your message becomes stronger. When your message is clear, people trust you more. When people trust you more, your influence grows. Think about the most powerful speakers in the world. They do not use complicated words all the time. They use words that people feel, words that people understand, words that people remember. Because intelligence is not measured by how complicated your words are. It is measured by how effectively you communicate your ideas. Many people use complicated words because they are insecure. They want to sound important. They want to sound impressive. But often this creates the opposite effect. It creates confusion. It creates distance. It makes people disconnect from your message. Smart speakers understand that clarity is more powerful than complexity. They focus on delivering their message in the simplest possible way. They remove unnecessary words. They remove confusion. They deliver meaning with precision. Simplicity also shows mastery. When you truly understand something, you can explain it simply. But when you do not fully understand something, you hide behind complexity. This is why simple communication is a sign of deep intelligence. It shows that your mind is clear. It shows that your thoughts are organized. It shows that you are not trying to impress, but trying to communicate. Simple words also create stronger emotional impact. People remember simple messages. People connect with simple truths. People trust simple clarity. Complex words may sound impressive for a moment, but simple words create lasting influence. Another powerful benefit of simplicity is confidence. When you use simple words, you remove pressure from yourself. You stop trying to perform. You stop trying to pretend. You begin to speak naturally. And natural speech builds authenticity. Authenticity builds trust. Trust builds respect. This is how powerful communication is built. Simple speakers also appear more calm and in control. They do not rush to find impressive words. They focus on expressing their thoughts clearly. They speak with ease. They speak with certainty. This calm certainty makes people see you as intelligent. It makes people see you as confident. It makes people see you as someone worth listening to. Simplicity also improves your thinking. When you train yourself to explain things simply, your mind becomes more organized. Your thoughts become clearer. Your ideas become stronger. You begin to understand things more deeply. Because simplicity is not weakness. Simplicity is strength. It takes discipline to remove unnecessary words. It takes awareness to communicate clearly. It takes confidence to speak without trying to impress. And this confidence transforms your presence. People begin to understand you easily. They begin to trust your message. They begin to respect your voice. Because your words are not trying to confuse. Your words are trying to communicate. This is the difference between speaking to impress and speaking to impact. Smart people choose impact. They choose clarity. They choose simplicity. And when you learn to communicate with simple, clear, and powerful words, you unlock one of the most important secrets to speaking like a truly intelligent person. Because the smartest voice in the room is not the most complicated. It is the clearest. One of the most overlooked habits of smart people is not how they speak, but how they listen. Because true intelligence is not just about expressing your thoughts. It is about understanding the thoughts of others. And understanding begins with listening. Most people listen with the intention to respond. They listen just enough to speak again. They interrupt. They assume. They focus more on what they will say next instead of fully understanding what is being said. But smart people listen differently. They listen with presence. They listen with patience. They listen with the intention to understand, not to impress. Because they know something powerful. Every person has something to teach. Every conversation carries insight. Every moment of listening is an opportunity to grow. When you truly listen, you gain information. You understand emotions. You observe perspectives. And this gives you the ability to respond with clarity and intelligence. Listening also strengthens your words. When you listen carefully, your response becomes more accurate. It becomes more meaningful. It becomes more impactful. This makes you sound smarter, not because you are speaking more, but because you are speaking better. Smart people do not rush to speak because they are not trying to prove themselves. They are trying to understand the situation fully. They are trying to gather awareness. And awareness makes their words more powerful. Listening also shows emotional maturity. It shows that you respect others. It shows that you value understanding more than attention. And respect creates respect. When people feel heard, they trust you more. When people trust you more, they listen to you more. When people listen to you more, your influence grows. This is how intelligent communication creates real impact. Listening also protects you from making mistakes. When you speak too quickly, you risk misunderstanding the situation. You risk saying something incorrect. You risk damaging your credibility. But when you listen first, you speak with accuracy. You speak with confidence. You speak with purpose. Listening also builds confidence within yourself. It removes the pressure to constantly prove your intelligence. It allows you to remain calm. It allows you to observe. It allows you to think clearly. Because confidence does not come from speaking all the time. Confidence comes from knowing you have control over when you speak. Smart people are comfortable with silence. They are comfortable observing. They are comfortable learning. They understand that intelligence grows through listening. Another powerful truth is that listening makes you more emotionally intelligent. You begin to understand human behavior. You begin to understand emotions. You begin to understand what motivates people. This awareness allows you to communicate more effectively. It allows you to choose better words. It allows you to create deeper connections. People naturally respect those who listen. Because listening shows discipline. Listening shows patience. Listening shows strength. Weakness seeks attention. Strength seeks understanding. When you become a strong listener, your words gain more value. People begin to pay attention when you speak because they know you do not speak carelessly. They know you speak with intention. This builds authority. Authority is not created through constant talking. Authority is created through controlled, meaningful communication. Listening also transforms your mindset. It teaches you humility. It teaches you awareness. It teaches you growth. Because no matter how intelligent you are, there is always more to learn. Smart people never stop learning. And learning begins with listening. When you master the art of listening, you develop presence. You develop awareness. You develop confidence. You stop speaking from ego. You start speaking from understanding. And when your words come from understanding, they carry power. They carry clarity. They carry influence. This is the final habit of speaking like a smart person. Because the smartest person in the room is not the one who talks the most. It is the one who listens the best. At the end of the day, speaking like a smart person is not about pretending to be someone else. It is about becoming more of who you truly are. It is about developing clarity in your mind, discipline in your emotions, and confidence in your voice. Because your words are a reflection of your inner world. If your mind is distracted, your words will be distracted. If your mind is uncertain, your words will sound uncertain. But when your mind is calm, focused, and clear, your voice becomes powerful. This is why intelligent speaking begins long before you open your mouth. It begins with awareness. It begins with discipline. It begins with believing that your voice has value. Most people spend their lives doubting their voice. They hesitate. They overthink. They stay silent when they should speak. And they speak carelessly when they should pause. They allow fear to weaken their message. They allow insecurity to control their presence. But the moment you begin to trust yourself, everything changes. You stop rushing. You stop trying to impress everyone. You stop seeking approval. Instead, you begin to speak with purpose. You begin to speak with clarity. You begin to speak with calm confidence. And people notice. They notice your presence. They notice your certainty. They notice your emotional control. Because strong voices do not need to shout to be heard. Strong voices carry calm authority. When you think before speaking, you show discipline. When you speak less but with meaning, you show confidence. When you control your emotions, you show maturity. When you use simple words, you show clarity. And when you listen more than you speak, you show true intelligence. These habits transform not just how you speak, but how you are seen. People begin to respect you. They begin to trust you. They begin to listen to you differently. Opportunities begin to open. Relationships become stronger. Your confidence becomes unshakable. Because communication is one of the most powerful tools you possess. Your voice can open doors. Your voice can create opportunities. Your voice can inspire change. Your voice can shape your future, but this power only grows when you develop control over yourself. Control over your thoughts. Control over your emotions. Control over your words. Smart speaking is not about perfection. It is about progress. It is about becoming more aware every day. It is about choosing your words with intention. It is about showing up with confidence, even when you feel uncertain, because confidence is built through practice. Every conversation is an opportunity to grow. Every moment of awareness strengthens your voice. Every time you pause and speak with clarity, you build trust in yourself. And the more you trust yourself, the more powerful your voice becomes. Never forget this truth. Your voice is not just sound. Your voice is your identity. It is your presence. It is your influence. When you discipline your mind, your voice becomes disciplined. When your voice becomes disciplined, your life begins to change. You stop being overlooked. You stop being ignored. You stop doubting your value. You become someone who speaks with purpose. Someone who speaks with strength. Someone who speaks with quiet, undeniable confidence. And that is how smart people speak. Not to impress the world, but to express the power that has been within them all along.